Hey, don't eat sweets. Mom is cooking dinner now. Huh, but you can eat the chocolate and not feel hungry.
Kids, I've made a dinner.
Yay, okay, Mommy. I don't want to eat. I ate the chocolate.
But you haven't eaten normal food today. It's necessary.
Why?
Because chocolate is not food. It has no beneficial properties and doesn't satiate.
But only provides a temporary effect. Oh, okay, I didn't know. Next time, I won't eat chocolate before a meal.